Hari ini kita mau pergi jalan-jalan dekat air terjun Sungai Gabai, Hulu Langat Selangor.
In 200 meters,
Here we go.
How to get to the Sungai Gabai? It's a 45 or 48 kilometers and depends on your place which you guys stay, and it take time like 1 hour and something like that to reach in the Sungai Gabai. And then I'm using the B16 from Cheras to heading here. When you heading here, you will see the signboard here on the left, and then you just go straight among the village, and then you can enjoy the beautiful trees, the green trees here. Okay, this is like I said just now, we see the house of kampung people here. The place is so nature. Ta-da! We already here. Welcome to Hutan Lipur Sungai Gabai Selangor, Hulu Langat Selangor. And then now it's time to get our parking.
Okay, now I'm here already at Sungai Gabai, Hulu Langat Selangor. Okay, let's the activity next after this. Let's join me. Okay. Actually, this Sungai Gabai is a lot of very nature place. Because you can see all the trees, environment, they're around surrounding me. This one, they have a staircase to going up. You can see the panorama till inside. And then this one is the river. The river is a continuously that we all know in Malaysia. And then this one also is like 45 kilometers from the Kuala Lumpur city. And you can enjoy this very nice environment, nature in Kuala Lumpur.
They will start open at 8 a.m. in the morning until 6 p.m. noon with the fee entrance ringgit per person. This one is the falling water from the top of the waterfall. So clear. There is a lot of bamboo which appears to be also many of the largest trees along the river.
Very nice. Very nice, and then your leg also fire.
The few activity I do here is jungle trekking to burn my calories. This is nice because they provide a staircase to going up and then easily to going down also.
Okay, now it's time to eat first before we go to swimming in the waterfall. Ta-dang! We eat nasi goreng ayam.
While we enjoy the nasi goreng ayam, we can also enjoy the view and the sound of the falling water from the top. Just to inform you guys, the water is so very cool. You guys also can take a very nice picture here with the background of the waterfall.
Okay, we are done today activities here at Sungai Gabai, but you still have people there at the bay. You see at the back we have environment. They have a like sunset already. Now going to 6 p.m. afternoon, and then after this we will back heading to KL. It's very nice to chill here and relax because it's a natural, really natural place. Top inside in the village. Okay, we go back now.
Okay, we are heading back now. Terima kasih, sila datang lagi. Alright, during our way, there's a lot of fruit trees like mango, like rambutan, and have a dusun durian also over here.
You know that I'm gonna fight till we're better. You're my high in paradise.
I just want to share with you something. Sungai Gamai Waterfall is a part of the Taman Warisan Selangor.
Even surrender. We ain't running out of time. Ain't no pressure. I've got all these memories of us together. So if you feel
At the Sungai Gabai also is very nice. You go out with your friend, families, and you can have a picnic also there. Feedbacks from me from the Sungai Gabai Selangor. This is a nice and amazing place for cool freeze with the beautiful nature sights. There's an amazing place for relaxing time with family and friends. This place is very nice for the waterfall, and then the washroom at the Sungai Gabai also is very clean, and then the condition is good, and then the local people also, the local villagers there will charge the visitor and the parking van. Thanks a lot guys for watching my blog channel at my YouTube channel. See you guys in the next vlog. Yeah.